Welcome back to another episode of What the Fuck. And on today's episode, we're doing something a little bit different. A CLA AMG. So, we got a few bits to do to this car. Nothing drastic, but a few bits nonetheless. So, Kyle's just done the service on it the other day. Wheels have gone off to get refurbed, and we're currently making it a Cat S2 non-category. No, I'm just joking. No. So, got a new steering wheel for it, which Kyle is just fitting. So this bad boy over here, this carbon one with go fast lights on it. Lovely. I have to basically get some stilts or grow an extra 2 foot, but I need to vinyl wrap this. So this is obviously quite common on these BMs, and a lot of times the reason this happens is because whenever people take cars to car wash and they use something called TFR, what that does is it basically has like an acid element into it, and what it starts doing over time is degrading all your trim. So if you ever got a car and you've got, oh yeah, I've got this nice Audi and it's a black edition or whatever, or Merc, and it's got this black edition trims, and then all of a sudden it starts going all milky, that's because you're lazy and you're taking cars to car wash and they spray all that shit on it to take the dirt off quickly, and all that does is eats into not only your paintwork but all your trims as well. So next time you're going to get your car washed, maybe do it yourself. So yeah, hold the steering wheel. Okay, here we go.
Got it?
Yeah, let's do it. Hey.
Don't know if that was my elbow or the
It might have been my wrist as well, I don't know. But yeah, so Kyle's obviously started on the wheels as well. He stripped the barrels off. So remember when I told you guys obviously how to split the wheel, take the bolts off, so then essentially you have obviously it split like this. So you've got obviously the spokes, then you've got the dish. Now the new dishes that obviously Kyle has ordered come polished aluminium, whereas these had been lacquered, and what happens over time is the water starts creeping through and you start getting what's called like webbing on the wheels. So I'll just show you here actually. So you see, if you can see in there, you see that webbing over there, and it starts going a little bit. Well, actually I'll show you on these wheels here. These are similar as well. See this, all this, that's basically webbing. So what happens is these are polished and then lacquered, and then over time when stones hit them and stuff, it chips the lacquer, water starts going behind it, and then eventually you start getting all this webbing. So this wheel has been obviously stripped, so that's just enjoying life right now, and then that will get polished, go through different stages of polishing. So what we're going to do now is, yeah, cool. I wish. You got loads of shit to get done. So I'm gonna start getting this roof buzzed off, because you can't just vinyl wrap over this, because as you can see there's an edge where it's obviously started to fade away. So what we need to do with that is feather it out, which I started doing. Then I realized I ain't filmed it, so I need to obviously remove this trim, get that ready to, so that way when I do the vinyl wrap, it can obviously go into the edges. Vinyl spinal wrap, and then I'm gonna attempt this bit and see, because I mean I don't vinyl wrap for a living, but little things we can do. So yeah, as normal, there he is. He's actually not sat on the floor this time, he's upgraded to a seat. So yeah, do a little time-lapse video of us getting this when I actually start doing the wrap. For now, gonna crack on with some work. So catch you guys shortly. And there you have it. It is done. Final wrapped. So that's one job complete. Steering wheel is obviously just getting it assembled. So everything, all the electronic components from there, getting fitted into there, the squib and everything. And now I'm just getting on to fitting the dash cam. So that's the dash cam there. Super important these days with everybody doing all these insurance claims and stuff. So it's a great way to keep yourself safe, or sometimes it can backfire and bite you in the ass if you're speeding. But hey ho. Either way, that's today's video. I'm gonna finish this job off and then I'll catch you guys on the next one. So peace.